Have you ever found yourself snapping before you even realise it? Maybe your child ignored you again, or bedtime has turned into a battle. That tightness in your chest, the urge to yell, that frustration. And it's completely normal, but how do we handle it? My name is Laura and I'm a certified and trained coach, and I'm here to explain it all. So why do we get so frustrated? Frustration normally builds up because of three main things. The first thing is unrealistic expectations. We expect our kids to listen the first time, but they're still learning. The second thing is overwhelm. When we're stressed, our patience is really low. And the third thing is feeling powerless. We can't always control our child's behaviour, and that's hard. The good news? We can change how we respond. Next time you feel that frustration bubbling inside, try these 3 steps. The first thing is to pause before reacting. Say, I need a second for me, and take a step back. The second thing is to breathe like you want your child to. So inhale for 4, hold it for 4, and exhale for 6. It really works. And the third thing is to use a reset phrase. So they're having a hard time, not giving me a hard time. Repeat that a couple of times. When we slow down, we move from reacting to responding, and everything changes. So what do you do if you've already lost your cool? We all lose our cool. It's completely normal. The key here is repair. So take responsibility. Example would be, I shouldn't have yelled, I'm sorry. Explain without blaming. So I was feeling frustrated, but that's not your fault. And then I suppose reconnect with warmth. A hug, a smile, let's try again. When we model making things right, our kids learn to do the same thing. Next time you feel frustration or anger rise, pause, breathe, reset. And if you slip up, apologise and try again. You're not failing, you're growing, and your child is learning from you. You're doing a really great job. Join me next week where we'll tackle jealousy in parenting. Because yes, even parents feel it too. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And please comment below if there are any particular topics you'd like me to cover. I also have a children's channel at Laz and Lucky where we discuss the same emotions, but all the content is geared for kids. Thank you.